Hello, today is Monday, July, what is it, 12th? And Greg and I are at Elbow Lake Cabin, attempting to install all, Littenstuga.
Get it right.
Attempting to put in all the windows. We are putting in all the windows, and by we, Greg. And then I am painting the porch. Mostly the outside is the focus, just so then we can put on the screen and enjoy the screen porch. So you can see my nice letter. Got my nice paint set up. I did some interior. We are not quite there yet.
Monday, it's about 8:15. I got a special guest with me.
Hi.
It's Paint McGee. And we did a lot of work today. You see the painted cabin back there? Kaarin got the whole porch painted and done.
Outside of the porch.
Outside of the porch painted and done. And I got all the windows in today. Didn't really start working until noon, I suppose. Windows didn't take too long. Of course, we had to carry them up. What did we carry up today? We carried almost all the IKEA stuff.
All the windows.
All the windows. A bunch of other furniture, like a mattress that's our queen mattress, which is the largest and heaviest mattress made.
The cooler.
Made out of lead, I think. Cooler. We probably made, what, 10, 12 trips up the hill?
Oh, yeah.
At least. Probably, yeah, actually. More than that, because there's 8 windows. So
Now for a cool dip.
we're gonna take a dip.
Beverage.
Then we're gonna fly across to the lodge, and I know I'm gonna down at least 3, maybe 4 Castle Danger cream ales
Probably just have one.
in about a minute.
Okay, then I'm gonna have to drive the boat.
That's okay. We have to practice anyways. Kaarin has to practice for Saturday when her and Sam come up. So the whole reason that we had this excursion was because Kaarin and Sam had this date picked, and we had to get some stuff done before then. So, but yeah, we're kicking butt. All right, it's a good day.
Bye. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July. What day is it today? 13th, I think. Greg and I are trying to wrap up a few projects before we head home to take the kiddos to dance and t-ball. So things that we did today, I finished up painting the outside of the patio so the screens can go on next. We'll get to the inside a little bit later. Greg installed the doors. Hinge. We still have to put the lock on. You can see it right here. Greg made these doors. Yesterday we completed the windows, so installed those windows. These ones are 2 windows side by side to fit a larger opening. Kitchen window. Again, here's let's see if I can get it around. Back door. This one will swing in, has a deadbolt and a lock. The front door will have a keypad to enter, and then this window was a beast to carry up the hill and then install, but we got her done. And then window on the front. So lots of windows. We have another window up in the loft. The other window that Greg made, the octagon, will be fitted later. That will go up there for now. We just put Tyvek to kind of seal up the house, or the cabin. So this weekend, Sam and I can come and kind of start cleaning up the site and doing the IKEA furniture.
Windows are in, doors in. Got to put the not the braces, but the parts in the jamb that stop it from moving any further back. Forgot my finish nailer, so I couldn't do that. But there we are, huh? Window up there in the loft. Things are good. Things are good.
Take it all cleared out. Good morning. Today is Monday, July 19th. My friend Sam, wave, and I came up and put together all of the furniture, cleaned it up. She's an IKEA pro. So she put together the futon, which she slept on the last few nights. We have the rug. You can see the stove, where that's gonna be. And then we also put together dining room table, chairs, bench, along with the kitchen cabinets, looking fantastic. And then probably the hardest thing of all, not expecting it to be that difficult, was the bed and the bed frame. Nightstands and a couple little dressers are also done. We did a lot of boating, got more confident at starting and docking the boat, and now I'm gonna trailer it up and head back home.
Mom, what do you think of the new ride? You go swimming? I'll go swimming with you. You go swimming? Where?
Don't lift my phone, bro.
It's 7. You count down.
Good morning. Today is August 1st. We're ending the first weekend with all the kids at the cabin. We had a wonderful time. We also got some work done. Some of the things that Greg accomplished this weekend were putting in the solar panels, and here's the control panel. Kind of tells you the input and output of the panels, which are on top of the porch screen. The other thing that he did was he put the screens on the porch, so we can now sit out here bug-free. Have the door on, but right now it's kind of like patched in until the deck and the stairs are done. We forgot the screws for the daybed. We'll do that next time. We also put up the lights for the porch. Other things that he installed included a ceiling fan. Here's the fuse box for all of the lights. Control for the fan. You can see the lights. We have 2 sconces over here. Say hi, kids.
Hi, kids. Hi, kids.
They're funny. They're so funny. Wired in. Eventually we'll get some lights for above the dining room table. Say hi.
Hi.
There's Dane. So the sconces in the living room, sconces in the bedroom. So again, right here with the nightstands. Then we have a rope light upstairs on the beam, which kind of gives a nice light up top. And then put up a temporary kind of like fence around the opening for the stairs for the loft until the materials that we really want are available. Just need to keep it safe for now. Did some wood clearing so we can now see the lake a little bit better. Determined what we were going to do for the stairs and the deck going down to the dock, which should be installed this week. And yeah, it was a lot of work.
Just like that, easy peasy. Saturday, August, I don't know, 20th or something. 8:45. And I just finished. I have been doing this all day. This morning, the lake was rolling. It looked like Lake Superior. It was just crazy. I mean, there's like 20, 30 mile an hour winds, huge waves. So I took 2 loads to keep it light so I wouldn't get too much water or get splashed too bad. Anyways, I got it across. And it was a lot of work to carry it up. I'm really tired right now. Really tired. Yesterday or earlier tonight, at about 4:30, I just had to stop and I had to take a nap. I had no energy at all. But I got up about 5:30 and I got back at it, and now I'm done. So we still got a mess in here. I got to put all this stuff away. So I'll give you a tour as we get everything put back. But flooring done. It's 9:05, 9:10-ish. And I've been cleaning up. So here we go. Here's the tour. Bedroom was put back together. Minus the dirty underwear. And here is the rest of the Littenstuga. Littenstuga. There you go. That's it. Looks pretty good, huh? Sunday morning, August 21st, I am putting the ladder together right now. But I just had to share this beautiful elbow leg morning, which I can now take advantage of because, sorry, hold on, wait for it. We have a dock. Ooh, how sweet is this dock, huh? The view off of the dock. We got the whole lake this way. There were a bunch of sunny swimming down here earlier. So, things are good. It's about 1:30 on Sunday. I'm getting ready to take off. I'm going swimming, which is why I'm not wearing a shirt. But here we are. We're all cleaned up. Did a lot of little stuff today. So I did the, let's see, what did I all do? My gosh. I did the outhouse floor. I got that window in up there. Did that today. Spray foamed that. I spray foamed that rake wall. I also finally got the legs in that wall. I cleaned up all the crap from the wood. All the boxes and plastic and everything. That was a chore. Put the boxes down where they're supposed to be. Did some other. I had to nail one more brace up there. I got that done finally. Got the smoke detector installed. I just did a lot of little stuff today, and I don't feel like I got anything done, but I did a lot. So, anyways, all right, I'm taking off. See you next weekend. Peace out. Bye. Savannah.
The 7th, not quite, or no, August 30th. Today's August 30th. Forget what day it is. We were up here this weekend with Greg's parents. Some of the things that he did while we were here, or that we did, he started a ramp into the outhouse. Right now he's hauling up the siding. Some of the other updates, shelf for the propane tank for the stove inside. Gus, that noise that you hear is him pretending to chainsaw wood. He likes to haul the wood to the woodshed. Gus has actually probably done most of that himself. There are the boys. Say hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
We're chainsawing.
You're chainsawing.
Bugs out.
I painted the rest of the inside of the porch this weekend
Yeah.
and cleaned off the caulking around the doors. Greg is hauling up the siding. There it is. Just cement board siding, and then what we'll do when we get it on is paint it.